बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम इस MCQs ऑफ मेडिकल सर्जिकल फॉर एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन पार्ट 2 में से कुछ MCQs को देखेंगे। 12 MCQs हमने पिछले वीडियो में किए थे, अभी 13वें MCQs से शुरू करते हैं। MCQ है, विच स्टेटमेंट बाय द पेशेंट विद डायबिटीज मेलाइटिस इंडिकेट एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मेडिकेशन इंसुलिन ग्लार्गिन। Number 1, lentus cause weight loss. 2, lentus is used only at night. 3, the duration of lentus is 6 hours. 4, there is no peak time for lentus. आंसर है, राइट आंसर है, there is no peak time for lentus. MCQs 14, which action occurs primarily during the evaluation phase of the nursing process? Number 1, data collection. 2, decision making and judgment. 3, priority setting and expected outcomes. 4, reassessment and audit. The right answer was reassessment and audit. Question 15, which action best describes essential event alert? Number 1, documenting the breakdown in communication during the shift report, indicating that the community or institution is unsafe. 3, recording the harm done when a medication error occurs. 4, signaling the need of immediate investigation and response. The right answer was signaling the need of immediate investigation and response. 16, which is primary a developmental task of middle age? Number 1, learning and acquiring new skills and information. 2, rediscovering or developing satisfaction in one relationship with a significant others. 3, relying strongly upon spiritual beliefs. 4, risk taking and its perceived consequences. The right answer was rediscovering or developing satisfaction in one's relationship with a significant others. 17, the medical surgical nurse who is caring of a patient with a new diagnosis of cancer observes the patient becoming angry with the physicians and nursing staff. The best approach to diffuse the emotional charged discussion is to, number 1, allow the patient and family member time to be alone. Arrange time for the patient to speak with another patient with cancer. Direct the discussion and validation of emotion without false reassurance. Request a consultation from a social worker on the oncology unit. The right answer was direct the discussion and validation of emotions without false reassurance. 18, it is hospital policy to assess and record a patient pulse before administering digoxin. By auditing the nursing record to determine the frequency of compliance with this policy, the Quality Assessment and Improvement Committee is conducting, number 1, a process analysis, 2, a quality analysis, 3, a system analysis, 4, an outcome analysis. The right answer was a process analysis. 19, a nursing diagnosis for a patient with the myocardial infarction is activity intolerance. The plan of care include the patient outcome criteria of agreeing to discontinue smoking, ambulating 50 feet without experiencing dyspnea, experiencing no dyspnea on exertion, tolerating activity well. The right answer was ambulating 50 feet without experiencing dyspnea. MCQ number 20 है, a nursing department is an acute care setting decide to redesign its nursing practice based on a theoretical framework. The feedback from patient, families and staff reflects that caring is a key element. Which theorists best support this concept? Erikson, Maslow, Rogers, Watson. The right answer was Watson. Question 21. Which statement by the patient demonstrates an accurate understanding about herbal supplements? Number 1. Herbs may interact with prescribed medication but not other herbs. 2. Most herbs have been tested and found to be safe and therapeutic. 3. The Food and Drugs Administration regulates herbs and allow advertising. 4. There is no standardization among manufacturers of herbs in this country. Question 21. The right answer was there is no standardization among the manufacturers of herbs in this country. Question 22. For a patient with Crohn's disease, the medical surgical nurse recommends a diet that is high in fiber and low in protein and calories. Number 2, high in potassium. 3, low in fiber and high in protein and calories. 4, low in potassium. The right answer was low in fiber and high in protein and calories. Question 23. When examining a patient who is paralyzed below the T4 level, the medical surgical nurse expects to find number 1, flaccidity of the upper extremity, 2, hyperplasia and spasticity of the upper extremity, 3, impaired diaphragmatic function requiring ventilator support, 4, independent use of upper extremity and efficient cuff. The right answer was independent use of upper extremity and efficient cuff. 24. After completing a thorough neurological and physical assessment of a patient who is admitted for the suspected stroke, the medical surgical nurse anticipates the next step in the immediate care of this patient to include 1. Administered tissue plasminogen activator. B. Obtained a computed tomography scan of the head without contrast. C. Obtain a neurological consultation. D. Preparing of the carotid Doppler ultrasonography. The right answer was obtaining a computed tomography scan of head without contrast. Question 25. The first step in applying the quality improvement process to an activity in a clinical setting is to A. Assemble a team to review and revise the activity. B. Collect data to measure the status of activity. C. Collect the activity for improvement. D. Set a measurable standard for an activity. The right answer was select an activity for improvement. तो ये हमारे बाकी के MCQs थे. इससे कुछ ना कुछ विजन बनेगी एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए और फर्दर भी इस तरह की वीडियोस के साथ इस तरह के MCQs लेके मैं वीडियोस के साथ आती रहूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.